occasion, I would like to tell you the story of Prambanan Temple. Do you ever heard the story of Prambanan Temple?
No.
Okay, listen to me. Once upon a time, there were two Hindu kingdoms, Penggi and Kratanggoko. Penggi Kingdom was a prosperous and wealthy kingdom that was led by a king named Prabu Damanmoyo. He had a son named Bandhu. Meanwhile, Kratanggoko had a cruel and easily angry king named Prabu Boko. However, Prabu Boko had a very beautiful daughters called Roro Jonggrang. One day, Pati Gupolo, I want to revolt and have control over Penggi Kingdom. I want to be the strongest king in this land. All right, Your Majesty, I will execute your command. Then, the war between Penggi Kingdom and Kratanggoko happened. Do you know what is the result?
No.
The result, Prabu Boko died in the war. Pati Gupolo ran away from the battle. By then, Bandhu Bondowoso and his soldiers chased Pati Gupolo to Kratanggoko. After Pati Gupolo arrived in Kratanggoko, he reported to Roro Jonggrang that her father was killed by Penggi, which was Bandhu Bondowoso. Bandhu Bondowoso and his soldiers saw Roro Jonggrang and stopped. Hey, beautiful lady, who are you? I am Roro Jonggrang, the daughter of Prabu Boko. Is that you who had killed my father? Roro Jonggrang was silent, but then Bandhu Bondowoso said something unexpected. Roro Jonggrang, would you be my queen, please? What? Roro Jonggrang was shocked. She wanted to refuse, but she was afraid that Bandhu Bondowoso would be angry to her. But then, she had a strategy. If you want to marry me, you must build 1,000 temples for me just in one night. Could you? Bandhu Bondowoso accepted the challenge. After the deal, Bandhu Bondowoso called his genius army. Come to me, my genius army. Come to me. I need your help. The genius army appeared and bowed down to Bandhu Bondowoso. What can we do for you, my lord? Please build me 1,000 temples just in one night. Oh, that's easy, my lord. We'll do it right away. Then, the genius army worked rapidly. This made Roro Jonggrang very worried. But then, she had an idea. My servants, help me. Please prepare a lot of rice straw and burn it and make some noises with pebbles and mortars. Now, quickly, quickly. The idea could make the dark night seem to be bright, and the sun was going to rise in the east. Oh, look! Morning is coming! We have to go! Come on! The genius army left aside because they thought the morning had came. Bandhu Bondowoso was very upset because the temple had not finished. But then she knew that Roro Jonggrang had tricked him. Roro Jonggrang, I have built 999 temples, and I just need one more temple. And the last one will be you. And Roro Jonggrang turned into statue. Ladies and gentlemen, now you can see the statue of Roro Jonggrang in Prambanan Temple. The most important thing is you must not be arrogant, even if you are strong and smart, because there will be other people who are stronger and smarter than you are. Okay, I think that's all my story for today. I hope you